Hello students, I am Mila Arora and in this video we are talking about Curie temperature and Néel temperature. So basically we are talking about how temperature affects magnetic properties of a substance. So we'll start with the definition of Curie temperature. It says that the temperature Tc means Curie temperature or Curie point below which a magnetic material behaves like a ferromagnetic material and above which it behaves like a paramagnetic material. Means if you will increase the temperature, ferromagnetic material they will behave like paramagnetic, means their magnetic properties are changing here, and then they are saying its susceptibility becomes minimum. So susceptibility is also decreasing. So now I am explaining you in detail. Ferromagnetic substance means their magnetic moment they are in ordered state. Ordered means they are in one direction or they are aligned. But if you will cross this Tc or Curie point or Curie temperature, now they are becoming disorder. Now their magnetic moment they can be in any direction. Okay, so this is called disordered state. Disordered state, right? So this is the meaning that how ferromagnetic substances is changing into paramagnetic substances if you are increasing the temperature, right? Then they are saying susceptibility is becoming minimum. So this I am telling you with this graph. This is the graph between susceptibility chi and temperature T. Okay, so first of all, if you are increasing the temperature, here I am increasing the temperature, so susceptibility is decreasing. Okay, gradually it is decreasing. But after this Curie point, after this Tc, it is decreasing in a high speed. Okay, so ferromagnetic material now it is becoming paramagnetic because magnetic moments now they are coming in disordered state. That is why magnetism is decreasing. Okay, magnetism is decreasing here. Then we have Néel temperature. Definition is it is the temperature above which certain antiferromagnetic material become paramagnetic material and their susceptibility becomes maximum. So here first we are taking antiferromagnetic material. Antiferro means here magnetic moment they are in opposite direction. If one is upward, then another will be in downward direction. And after this point Tn means your Néel temperature, now they are becoming disordered state. Disordered means already I told you they can be in any direction. So here your antiferromagnetic material they are becoming paramagnetic material. So here with the graph also you can see here susceptibility first it is increasing. Okay, but after this Tn or Néel temperature their susceptibility is decreasing again. It is decreasing in high speed like paramagnetic substances, right? So then we have the general question, how can temperature affect the magnet? So if someone is asking you in general, so you can say if you will increase the temperature, if temperature is increasing or if you are increasing the temperature, then magnetism or susceptibility generally it will decreases. Okay, magnetism generally it is decreasing. Now for the specific cases like for paramagnetic material, ferromagnetic substances and antiferromagnetic substances, these are the graph that you can explain. So first I am taking paramagnetic substances. For paramagnetic substances you can see it is showing you parabola. The graph shape is called parabola. So here magnetism is decreasing very speedily. This is called parabola graph. Okay, so for paramagnetic substances parabola graph will be observed. Then you have ferromagnetic substances. Next is your ferromagnetic substances. So here first it is decreasing gradually, but then after this Curie temperature or Tc, now it is also showing parabola graph or it is also showing paramagnetic substances. Okay, then third is your antiferro. antiferromagnetic material, first your susceptibility or magnetism is increasing. Okay, first it is increasing, but after this Tn or Néel temperature, it is also trying to show parabola graph. So it is also showing that paramagnetic substances. So this is your summary. Okay, this is your summary. Paramagnetic substances, simply they will show parabola graph. For ferromagnetic, they will show, first they will show gradual decrease, and then they will behave like paramagnetic substances. In antiferromagnetic substance, first it will increase, but then it also shows that paramagnetic behavior. I hope it will help you in understanding this concept. If you like this, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.